Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. And today is Tech Tuesday, so let's see what we got. It's a box. Okay, this is a travel power strip with USB. So technically it is a multi-plug outlet extender. 3-prong outlet extender. Okay, let's see. It has a welcome guide and you are in good hands, and it tells about the company. Now, I was asked to review this. I decided to because I had no idea that cruise ships do not allow power surges extension cords. So if you're planning to travel on the Disney, the Royal cruise ships, Carnival, I'm trying to think of some more, Princess cruise ships, then this is what you're going to need, is something like this. So on this side, I'm going to show definitely up close. Traveling power strip, cruise compliant, is the American plug, type B, which is the standard plug, 100 to 240 voltage compatibility. It has the dual USB charging ports. It puts out 2.4 A 12 watts, non-glaring LED lights. That will be right here. Weighs about a little less than 4 ounces. If you're wondering, can you use your hair dryer, your curling dryer, the maximum power consumption of this is 1,875 watts. Therefore, plug everything in. It doesn't exceed that 1875 wattage. Then you will be safe to use this. Say, don't plug everything else in at the same time. And it's just a nice square. And it has the 1, 2, 3 plug socket, a travel strip plug, has the 2 USB. This is not fast charge. So I did look it up to see if it's a fast charge plug. No, it's not. It's great for traveling. You could just, it'll fit anywhere in your suitcase or luggage. Any cruise ship that when you took a cruise, that you have to have something like this. Besides using this on a cruise ship, you can still also use this at home. So if you're home and you need multi, you can use this. You want to do a power surge or something like that, then don't. But if you're just looking for some extra sockets, this is perfect. So it's great for traveling, great for cruise, great for hotels, as well as great for homes. Throw them lights up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button, because you want to be heard if you